Large 18 size. Great multi-purpose tool for multiple applications. Applications include trans fluid, power steering fluid, gas, oil additives, and oil. Safe and easy to use. Innovative and sturdy design. FloTool, by Hopkins Manufacturing, offers the most comprehensive and highest quality offering of fluid handling products. Driven by innovative, no-mess product solutions, whether you're changing your oil, topping off the antifreeze or checking all your automotive fluid levels, FloTool has the right application. FloTool's super multi-purpose funnel is perfect for transmissions, oil, and other engine fluids. Top reviews from the United States. Large funnel is perfect for motorcycle. The funnel is larger, taller, than I expected, which is a good thing. The funnel fill tube tapers to a narrow point, which fits perfectly into my bike's oil fill opening. Changed oil yesterday and never spilled a drop using this funnel. Buying this funnel was definitely a good choice.